Hello and welcome to Plot 33, a Scottish Allotment's first unboxing. This week I'm going to be looking at suitable storage solutions for my potatoes. And as you can see, although my trainer looks good, it doesn't really hold that many potatoes, so I thought I'd look at potato sacks. I got these off Amazon and they're from Nutley's Kitchen Gardens, just in case there was any confusion as to where they were from. And also, as you can see, I did open this, made a mistake, and then this is a second recording, so I just thought I'd be honest with you. So let's have a look, let's see. Yes, so these are 50 by 80 Hessian sacks for potatoes. Definitely made of Hessian. And look at that, yeah, pretty sturdy. Very good. Those will hold potatoes quite well, I think. So this was 5 bags for just over a tenner. A bit indulgent. Let's have a look and see how many potatoes I can get in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. 5. Well, it obviously holds a lot more than 5, as you can see, right down at the bottom there. So I think my first earlies and second earlies will fit in there nicely, and we'll be able to store them right through up into winter and beyond. So thanks for watching, and remember, like and subscribe to Plot 33, a Scottish Allotment, and thanks for watching.